Are you considering Ally Bank as your next financial institution? But you're wondering, can I really trust them? It's a valid concern, especially in today's digital age. In this video, we'll dive deep into Ally Bank, examining its history, reputation, security measures, and customer satisfaction to help you make an informed decision. Ally Bank, formerly known as GMAC Bank, has been around for decades. It's an online-only bank, offering a wide range of financial products, from checking and savings accounts to mortgages and auto loans. But what sets Ally apart from traditional banks? And is it truly trustworthy? 1. A brief history of Ally Bank. Trace the bank's origins from GMAC to Ally Financial. Highlight key milestones and any significant changes or acquisitions. 2. Is Ally Bank FDIC insured? Explain the importance of FDIC insurance. Confirm Ally Bank's FDIC insurance status. Discuss the coverage limits and how they protect your deposits. 3. Ally Bank security measures. Dive into the bank's security protocols. Discuss encryption technologies, firewalls, and other safeguards. Mention any certifications or accreditations related to security. Address concerns about online banking security. 4. Customer reviews and ratings. Analyze customer reviews and ratings from various platforms. Highlight common themes and feedback. Discuss the bank's customer service reputation. Share any personal experiences or anecdotes, if applicable. 5. Ally Bank's financial strength. Explore the bank's financial health and stability. Discuss its capital adequacy ratio and other relevant metrics. Mention any ratings from credit rating agencies. 6. Ally Bank's pros and cons. Pros. High interest rates on savings accounts. No minimum balance requirements. User-friendly online banking platform. Excellent customer service. No fees for ATM withdrawals at Allpoint ATMs. Cons. Limited branch locations, online-only bank. Potential learning curve for those new to online banking. 7. Is Ally Bank right for you? Consider your specific needs and preferences. Discuss the ideal customer profile for Ally Bank. Offer advice on how to decide if Ally Bank is the right fit. 8. Tips for safe online banking. Share best practices for online banking security. Discuss the importance of strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Warn against phishing scams and other cyber threats. Encourage regular monitoring of account activity. Ally Bank has proven itself to be a reliable and trustworthy financial institution. Its strong security measures, excellent customer service, and competitive interest rates make it a compelling choice for many. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and determine if it aligns with your individual financial goals. By following best practices for online banking security, you can further enhance your peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.